This one?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, hey there everyone. Just got our storage unit we just bought. Ordered online off storagestuff.bid. Alright, come on in. Check it out. We have a dual.
Wow,
It's heavy.
I tried.
Whew. Oh, no glass. No glass. Womp womp. This was a dual soda and turned off. Oh, it's still running. It's just not light. So we can bring it in over here. This is a dual machine. Looked it up and it was goes for about $2,000 used, but you know, a lot of times this happens with storage rooms. I don't know if you can see it, but the glass is broke out of the front of it. I don't know what that's going to cost to replace, otherwise it's dump material. Let's go a little further in, see what else we got. Karaoke machine, some movies, some bad furniture, Golden Tea, Golden Tea video game, Miss Pac-Man, this one's a little rough, Die Hard Arcade, it's pretty cool. Oh, a coffee machine. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna get some 1, 2, 3 arcades, 4 arcades, Mortal Kombat 2. That's awesome. Oh, another vendor. Oh, that's nice. And another Pac-Man machine. So we got 5 arcades. That averages, we can average 400 apiece on those. There's our money back. And then, do we look and see what kind of machine this was?
Unknown. I see there's a hookup to it. I wonder if it's another beverage machine.
It is another coffee machine. It's a fancy one. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And then we got one all the way in the back.
Another smaller coffee.
Another smaller coffee machine. I wonder if we can still get that stuff for that. This might be good. Then I guess there was a box of comics.
Pac-Man or something.
What's that? Brand new in the package, the Chopper, Con Air. A couple bucks for that. Not a lot. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, man! New Mutants 98, first appearance of Deadpool. Hello. It's not mint, but it's one of the holy grails of the 90s. It's probably about a $200 book. Yeah, so that's everything we got. This is the first of probably many for me. Do a little extra. Just some cleanup. We gotta get it out by Monday, so we gotta get a truck. Because this is a monster. So I might just do a little research over the weekend, see about getting plexiglass for them, replace it. I don't know if it's busted out because they dropped it off the truck, putting it in. Probably before I buy any replacement, I want to see if it plugs up and runs. But maybe still 500.
Yeah.
It's 2,200. If it's working, maybe 500, rather than scrap it. If at least the compression works, the compressor works, and it gets cold. Let me grab those comics. So just that one off the top. If there's any more in there. we'll be doing all right. We might make our money back in comics, who knows? Yeah, not too bad. I'll get boxes for the clothes and then like clothes luggages, you know, $5-10. I mean,
Yeah.
it looks like we'll be scraping some of the extra money together since that one's broken. But claw machine looks like it's mint.
That's in good shape, yeah.
Yeah.
And more if I'm in good shape, and that's probably one of the more expensive arcade, I agree.
Yeah.
So, hopefully, it can be soon.
I don't know if there's some businesses that might want one of those coffee machine ones.
They might, yeah. Ask around, I know.
See ya.